Greetings from Nissi Island, overlooking Nissi Beach, what seems to be the best beach on the island of Cyprus. Today is 24th of March 2026, and this is how Nissi Island looks like on this off-season date. It is 16 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured in the water 20 degrees Celsius. Now bear in mind that the satellite measurement online is 17.1 degrees only. And I have walked along all of Nissi Beach, and I have also walked from the beach to the island that has a very big tide currently, as when I was here last time for New Year's 2024 it was possible to go without getting wet, as it is a bit of a passage that I'm gonna show you in a bit. Now it's day 2 of my vacation in Cyprus, this off-season vacation, so let's hit the waters and show you more of these amazing waters of the Mediterranean Sea. And the color of the water is just stunning. Look at that, it's absolutely brilliant. So yes, I was walking from the mainland to this Nissi Island. That there is also a nice view if you go around the island, but the views are definitely breathtaking. And from my hotel, Sunwing Sandy Bay Beach, it is just 1 kilometer to walk to this magical place. And day 2 of my vacation. I'm still a bit sick with common cold, but I think that the sea will bring me peace and healing for me. Now this is the passage I was talking about, that it is actually not covered in water when I was here both in summer and for Christmas, but now it seems there have been big tides and waves, I suppose. But yeah, you can hear also music in the background from Nissi Beach. And I was walking along the beach, there were only like, I don't know, 20 people in total. And when I was here in summer, it was definitely full. But I'm also thinking that now there are not so many people here in Nissi Beach because it is war in the Middle East, and Cyprus is technically very close to the Middle East. Cyprus is part of Asia, but also part of the EU. So yeah, it's a bit tricky to be here at this time of the year. I guess many people have cancelled their reservations, but from Sweden there was no alarming for not to come to Cyprus, and the plane was on, so I just went with it. Yes, Chris will be enjoying the beaches of Cyprus this whole week, and yeah, now it's time for Chris to go in for a swim. So ready, set, and go! Amazing. It's absolutely stunning. Oh my god. It was definitely a good decision not to cancel my vacation, as it was not refundable, so I hope that there won't be any war while I'm here, but also never ever later either. So Nissi Island, Nissi Beach, the best waters you can find on Cyprus. Well, there is one contender, I would say, and that is Fig Tree Bay in Protaras, not so far away from here. But those two, Nissi Beach and Fig Tree Bay, are definitely two of the best beaches on the island. With that said, I will be exploring and enjoying a few more days on this beach, but I will check other ones in the nearby that are Makronissos, and there are a few more. I don't remember the names, but basically whole of Ayia Napa has many beautiful beaches. Cool. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris. Bye.